guys, welcome back to my channel. This is probably going to be the last room tour I give you guys of my college era because it's a little spooky. But I'm gonna move out of this room, and like the previous apartments, I only show you guys once I'm already about to move out for the girls' privacy. But some girls are still gonna stay at this house, so I don't know if I'm gonna be able to actually show you the whole house or just my room, because I have my own room this year. So I was so excited to finally have my own cuartico, so I'm gonna show you guys that. The reason why I'm moving out is because obviously, if you guys know, I'm just finished my third year and I'm gonna enter my fourth year. But for my fourth year, I'm only doing one semester and most of my classes are online. So I don't think there's like a reason why my parents should be paying like all the rent for my room when I'm just gonna go to class like one day after a week. So I'm just gonna drive over here from my parents' house. It's not that much, it's like an hour and a half. But I'm gonna show you guys my little room tour. Also, we just came from El Salvador, so we're a little crazy. I try to fix up the room as best as I can. So we're a little tired, and as soon as we finish vlogging this little room tour, we have to get everything going because the landowner, yeah, she has to come in and like agree that my room is clean enough. I actually have a lot of paint in the floor, so I have to come back another day and do that. But anyways, this is my cuartico. So as soon as you walk in, obviously when you close the door, you walk in, you come this way. I have my little desk that my boyfriend got me for, it was extra in your house. It was extra in his house, so obviously he didn't use it. So I needed a desk for school. As this is like my everything drawer. I have coins, nail stuff, lashes, tickets, and my fast track, all these extra stuff in here. And then I actually went shopping a couple days before I went to El Salvador, so I went to Victoria and I got new shoes. And this is just like where I stack everything. Like I told you guys, we just came from El Salvador, so I have all this stuff in here, my glasses, makeup stuff, like my extras. Oh my god, Mariana brought me this from Mexico when she went, and it's so cute, and it's actually bendecido. I had it over there, but it fell, so I just kept it here. These are like my stuff. I actually went shopping like I told you guys, so I got new everything for my makeup, lotions, my multivitamins that I need every day. And here is my vision board of the year. I've done a lot of things already. I've actually traveled. The trip is good. I keep vlogging. I actually have been vlogging with my phone now and not my GoPro as much, just because it's so complicated to pass like the films, and also the GoPro sometimes doesn't really like focus. So I want to get a camera actually. And then this was our Christmas photo shoot we had with the girls. Okay, all the roomies for Christmas. And we actually took these with my camera, and then we just posted them. Like we just sent them to get printed. And then this was my 21st birthday cruise with my girlies. This side I have my calendar. I still have it in May. It's actually June, which I have to take all this. But look at how packed my May was. May is the most busiest month for college students. This was my school schedule. This was my boyfriend and I for our formal this year. It was a night under the stars, our pictures. And then this is me with Kaylita, my little. We went to like this studio thingy. This was painted by my little cousin Abby when I first graduated high school and I was gonna come to college, and everybody found out that I was gonna actually like fully move out. So she made me this heart, and I've had it in all my apartments like I've been living in, so it means a lot to me and I'm gonna keep it forever, because I think she was 9 years old and like she drew me this, and I love her so much, and it's purple, my favorite color. And then my favorite one out of all time, we'll all grow at our own pace, because some people take longer in college, some people take shorter. Everybody's path is different. This is where I sleep with my camita. And you guys wanna know something funny? I have a window, right? So when you open the window, bruh, there is no view. There is just another window out there. So that kind of sucks. So this is my camita. And I have a lot of stuff in here. Like over here I have my nail kits, everything. I have holiday stuff because I have stuff for Valentine's, Easter, and all of that, which, thinking about it, I don't know how I'm gonna do it once I move back, but we'll figure it out. Okay, so my window doesn't really lead to anywhere, so I needed a fan, so I got a fan. And also these are my memory seashells that I got with Kayla like a couple weeks before she left San Francisco. Sand dollars. Look at these cute sand dollars. I have a mirror. I'm excited because I actually get to take this one home. This light has been with me since my first year. That he brought it for me from San Diego or somewhere. And then Valentine's Day, I don't know why I still have it. This is my favorite section. My Phi Sig, my sorority little mini wall, which I don't know where I'm gonna put it in my parents' room, but I mean in my parents' house, but I'll go find it. But this was my first ever paddle, which you guys saw in my other vlogs. And then this was my 21st one, which is new because I just turned 21. Kayla made it for me. And then this is my new paddle with my new little Hanya. She made it for me. Look how cute it is. Hello. It's our reveal. Like, she is an artist. And it says, esto es solo el comienzo. It's so cutesy. And then for our formal, I want most adventurous because no estoy en la casa. And then our reveal theme for Hanya's was like Prada theme. So these are like the Prada glasses, and they say big, and she got a little, Kayla got a twin, and then Big got a G Big. And then obviously my letters, our letters, and then you guys have seen that one already. You come this way and we have my beautiful closet, which I'm thinking, how the hell am I going to move all this into my other closet? But I'm donating almost literally the whole closet. I'm donating it because I have outfits from like 8th grade. Why do I want that? I'm about to graduate college. This is how full my closet is. And then I have these drawers, which I have to take back home too, and I'm gonna see how I'm gonna organize it. Right here I have another peluche that my boyfriend got me. We went shopping, like I told you guys, so we have a lot of extra stuff in my bags, all my extra like creative stuff, my hats, everything. And then when you come this way, my last little wall is my 2 pictures that I've had since like my first ever room. That concludes my room tour. Now we have to break it down and take it to my other casita. But I'm super sad because this chapter is ending, like my college life chapter is ending. But this is part of life, to grow and have new adventures. So I'm super excited to start my new chapter in my casita, my childhood casita, for a bit. I'm gonna be living there just so I finish college, and then I'll see where life takes me, what I do in life. So I'm really excited for this new chapter. I'm really excited to go back with my parents because I miss them so very much. And even though we see each other all the time, it's not the same living with them. And then now I'm like older, I'm more mature. So I'm really excited to have that. But I'm also very sad that this chapter is ending because, guys, college is so fun. I love college. It's SF, but it's okay. I'm still gonna come back because I still have classes in person. Not as much, but I still have some. I'm gonna conclude my room tour. Thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications. That way you guys get notified every time I upload a new video. And don't forget to subscribe and like, and I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Bye. Without anything, I didn't get to fix this, but they said they would fix it. So there's some stuff that I didn't get to fix. It's all done. Also, guys, I actually got a little scared because, has anybody seen the movie Veronica? And if you have, you know. But I realized that there is a black spot right here, and it looks like somebody walked out. Do you see that? And if you've seen the movie Veronica, you've seen that under their bed or their ground there was like black spots because cosas malas pasaron. Just realizing this now. But nada me pasó porque yo siempre tengo la virgencita. If that means anything bad, nada me pasó porque yo siempre tengo mi virgencita conmigo. Pero we're gonna say bye-bye to this room because tengo que volver a casa. So right now I have to go to the school to fight someone because I got a ticket and I paid it. I got this ticket in December 2024. I paid it, and they're sending me every month for almost 6 months tickets saying that I have to pay. I already paid. So I call them, no answer. Does anybody even work there? Like, it's so annoying. But now I have to go in person. Now that I'm in SF right now, I'm gonna go to the student services, like get me my receipt, walk over to the San Francisco police. And apparently the SF State Police, somebody posted a TikTok about it, and some people commented on it. And I guess somebody also had the same problem. And they walked in the police station. There was nobody working and said they were understaffed, so nobody works there. What? So if that happens today, I'm gonna be pissed. Anyways, this was my bathroom that I would use. This was my bañito. Got to campus. Hopefully they can provide me with help since I've been calling for multiple weeks and they're not responding. At first I told my mom, because on the ticket it says, or the invoice, it says like, oh, like if you already paid it, like it should be cleared up. So they just gave me a receipt. The guy was super nice. Like he was like, oh, like I'm so sorry, like this always happens. So now I got my receipt and now I have to go to the police department in SFC, which is like on the other side. Just pre-ordered some Starbucks. I always do the Starbucks because it's so close to the freeway.